Today we're going to be taking a look at some all-weather floor mats for our Tesla Model Y 7-seater. This do come with limited lifetime warranty as well as 90-day money back from Last Fit. Last Fit is a renowned company that sells all kinds of liners. They have hundreds of thousands of products on their website. They are also available in Amazon, and we have used their products in the past and we really like the company as well as the product. Now, if you have a Model Y 7-seater, you know that one of the challenges to find floor mats, quality floor mats that fit your car, because it requires specialized mats that needs to be produced. So for just regular Ys, no problem. So a lot of companies just use the same mold probably created. But for 7-seater Y, you need parts like this for those last two seats. And I don't think companies are investing on the mold to create those. So there is very, very limited options for the 7-seater Y. This is one of those options for you all. Let's get started. This is the first time we have ever gone a user manual for floor mats. I mean, sometimes we don't even get user manuals for complex tech products. So kudos to Last Fit. They tell you everything about the product, the installation instructions, warranty. I mean, they have local support in California. You get lifetime hassle-free warranty, 90 days money back. This company is legit. They make really good product. So we're gonna do back to front. So let's start with the bottom trunk. So sub trunk here. This is the piece that goes on the sub trunk. Very straightforward. I'll show you a close up here in just a second, but you just slide this in and you're done. So it fits really nicely and not much to it. That's it. Next, let's actually install these back seat ones, and then we will do the trunk area. And the back seat ones actually have Velcros, which is really nice. And there is a notch cut out on the side, which we just align to the bottom here. And we also need to make sure that this child seat anchoring is okay. And yeah, this is just sliding it in and just pressing it down. So simple. This is done. Here's the other side, and as I said, super simple. You just align this notch with this mat, and then once the Velcro makes it so nice that you can just stick this here and press this in. This is good to go. Now next is this trunk piece, and it just sits on this panel here, and if it stands up on any of the directions, you just have to fold it the other way for a little bit and then try to get it to take its form. They say to just keep it like this for a few days and it should just all match everything. And this is a lot heavier compared to the other one, so I don't think it's going to slide, but only time will tell. I'm already liking this, the look of it, and also as it sits here, it's a lot heavier, so I can confirm that this is much more heavy duty than what I had before. Next, we're gonna tackle the footrest area of the rear two seats of the 7-seater, and this just slides in. Makes it super easy. That one is done. We can put the seat back. There you go. So those are covered. Next, we're going to simply slide this one in for the reverse one, just like any other unit. You just align it and push this in. Wow, this is a really precise fit. That's why it takes a little bit to push it, because how tightly it fits. Like, look at this crevices here. I mean, it's really good. Next, let's move to the front and install the driver unit. Wow, as I'm sliding this in, the preciseness of the fit is just amazing. I've never felt that with any other floor liners before. This is just something to commend them about. It's amazing. The fit is really nice. Next is the passenger side in the front. And again, you just have to align it, find its edges, and this is laser fit. There you go. And again, if it is standing up a little bit, just let it sit, bend it the other way, and this will take its form. We have seen it in the past. This is what the passenger one looks like. And finally, we have got the front one, where you just place this super easily. It fits. So our review wouldn't be complete without making a mess and try to clean it up, because that is one thing that we look for in this product. So let's make a mess together. Let's spill some mustard and let's try to clean this. So let's see how easy this would be to clean. We're gonna actually let this dry and we're gonna come back and try to clean it to see how well this works. On the spill test, you could have a water or drink out here that could fall while drinking. This is how it works. Look at that, like the water kind of just slides through because of the coating, the material that it has. That's awesome. And it has got that sidewall all around that protects it. And the water almost vanishes from here because it just slides. So cleaning up should be easy. Let's take this out and use a hose to clean it. Some of that mustard has dry, and mustard is very sticky. So let's see how well we can get this off and if we need to scrub. All right, let's try with just the regular hose, and even in low pressure, and even with that, it's going. But now if I just increase the pressure, look at how easy this is to clean. Really good. Even just with a regular hose, I'm not even using a pressure washer. And it's doing it with a sticky mustard, because mustard is very sticky. And this is really easy to clean. I like that. The crevices makes it super easy, and if you look at the water beads, it's just sliding off. That just makes it a lot easier to clean and dry. This thing is gonna be drying in no time. Now I can just take some Bounty and the water just slide off and dries too, like really easily. The cleanup is exceptionally easy with these floor mats, as you can see. So here's the verdict. First of all, the fit. We don't often find a product that fits this well. We have reviewed a lot of floor liners in the past, and there is still some gaps and something doesn't fit right. They did an excellent job, and I made that comment throughout the video during installation that it's a laser fit. Like everywhere you look at all the features that the car has, they matched it perfectly. So I give them credit for that. The fit was good. The next is the material quality. Look and feel of the material of these floor liners are really great. It looks high quality. Only time will tell if they will last long. But just the fact that they give you a lifetime warranty as well as a 90 days money back guarantee. That's 3 months. It's like Costco's electronic return policy, which is very generous for you to try this out. And if you don't find the quality that you're looking for, then they'll give you the money back if you're not happy with it. So that also tells you that they have full trust on their product, and I do expect it to last a long time. Next thing I assess is the performance. How does it do with the spill? How does it do with when I try to make a mess? Is it non-slip? And all of those characteristics that I was looking for checks out on this floor mat. How easy it is to clean, and you all saw it. Super easy to clean, even just with the hose, with the pressure, you're able to take out most of it. And if you need to put some soap and scrub it, that should be super simple. There's only one thing I would suggest is on the trunk unit that just goes on the top of the trunk. I would probably put a Velcro in the bottom as well, and that should be super easy to fix, just adding some Velcro so that it can just stay there and not move. If you have any questions, concerns, thoughts, feedback, please let me know in the comment section below. If you found today's video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and come back again for another Tesla accessory video.